Here's how to install ASUS Armoury Crate on your laptop or computer. Open your browser, search for ASUS Armoury Crate, and click through to armourycrate.com. Click Download, scroll down the page to find the available download links, and click the top option labeled Armoury Crate and Aura Creator Installer. The download should begin automatically. If not, return to the previous page and click the link again. Once downloaded, open your Downloads folder, right-click the zip file, select Extract All, and click Extract. Double-click the Armoury Crate installer file to open it. You will be asked which components to install. Armoury Crate itself is the core app. Aura Creator lets you build custom lighting patterns, and Virtual Pet shows live system stats like memory and CPU usage. Select whichever you want and click Start. Wait for installation to complete, agree to the terms and conditions, choose any additional features you want, select Next, pick your theme, and click Start Using. Approve any Windows security prompt that appears. Once finished, click Reopen App, skip the intro if prompted, and you will land on the main dashboard where you can manage all your connected ASUS devices. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.